Good day, futures traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Thursday, July 20th, guys, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Now, in the room today, starting from left to right in gold, we had an advanced understanding trade. Told everybody, market was screaming up here. I said the market does not have to go any higher short term than this line. Okay. Said if we want to short, we can short up here. Actually went up there, pushed up. There was a wick at the end of the candle, but for quite a bit of time, it was just sitting up there. Everybody short the gold right here. Short the gold, and that trade made 20 ticks, and that was a nice trade there. In fact, we had to get out of it because the room closed, but it still could come down, but nobody's in the trade anymore, obviously. That was a nice winning trade. In the NASDAQ, I don't normally do this, but I told everybody if we could double dip here a little bit if we wanted to. I'm going to just consider it one trade. Some people hit this right down here. Okay, around the 21s. I told everybody I was calling the price on this candle here, and you'll see it went up. It went up for about 12, 13 ticks, and I specifically said that it may make it up there, it may not, it may come back down to the 19s. Okay, I was very specific about what happened here. So some people made money, went to entry. When it came back down, we hit it lower again, double dipped. Some people just got it there, added some down there, so their average was around 20. Different people doing different things. But basically, the trade, when it came up, this was the move we were looking for. Okay, and when the trade came up there, this was a ZL. Okay. That trade made up to 10 points. 10 points or 40 ticks. Okay, 10 points or 40 ticks. Some people didn't get all 40, obviously. They got 25, 20, 30 right in here. And that was a beautiful trade. The market came down. We had a power play. That was at 59.10.75. That was at 9:33 Central Standard Time. That trade made from 59.10.75 down to 58.97 quarter. That trade made up to 13 points, and that was about 52 ticks, up to 52 ticks on the trade. Again, not everybody got all 52. We did have some targets here and a target here, but that was a beautiful trade as well. Then we had crude. I mean, it was just a great day today. Crude, we got short up as high as 47.65. Some people were short around 58. Some people were short around 61. In either event, you'll see that from anywhere in here, the market never really, we got our first target, told everybody that like it or not, the bottom of this circle, we need to close below the bottom of the circle. If not, you still got to give the thing room to breathe. And again, this went 15 ticks, and you take some profit, you give the trade a little bit of room, and again, this thing never came back. So this trade made, again, for somebody who held, somebody who had enough contracts, the trade made, all the way till the end of the morning, 70 plus ticks on the trade. It went all the way down to, 46.95. Up here, that's about 70, almost a 70 tick trade. But again, for people who had small contracts, up to maybe 15 ticks. Some people go really tight with their stop, even though, because they just don't want to risk giving back, or they don't want to hold the trade that long. But that was a beautiful trade there as well. And then in the ES, we got a beautiful RS trade that was at, give you the price there, that was at 24.71.75, 24.71.75. Some people took it at 71.50. That trade made up to 6 points. 6 points on that trade. Boom. And we got a little help on that one. I was expecting that one to maybe go down 2-3 points, but then we got some news that came out that the market freaked out a little bit, so pushed down a little bit further, which was nice. We got more on that trade. And in fact, when the market was down here, I told everybody that it was a BS move and that they were probably going to buy it back up, which see what happened here. I said normally I would have you reverse down here and go long, but we don't typically do that in the room. And then there was trades that we could have taken that we were in other trades that we didn't take. We could have got long on gold here, short here on gold. We were in a different trade. Long here on gold. There was that news that came out unexpectedly, so we were not in that until it got up here. We shorted. So there was a lot of other things that if we were going to be in multiple trades, we could have done. But this was a great day today. We had no losing trades today. We had 5, 6 winners. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. And until then, everybody have a great day. Bye, traders.